Here the system of linear equations. These are linear equations has infinitely many values of lambda, exactly one value of lambda, exactly two values of lambda, and exactly three values of lambda. You just observe the equations here. Right side terms are zero. Okay, right side terms are zero. Then obviously delta 1 is 0, delta 2 0, delta 3 also 0. Hence it is a non-trivial solution. Yes? It has a infinity. K has infinity, many solutions here. Therefore, in this case, delta is equal to what here? 0. Because right side terms are 0. If right side terms are 0, then obviously delta 1 is 0, delta 2 0, delta 3 also 0. Hence in this case, delta is equal to 0. It is a non-trivial solution here. So this implies a determinant of 1 lambda minus 1 here. Then write here lambda minus 1 and a minus of 1 here. 1 and minus of lambda, that is equal to 0. Now you simplify it. This implies 1 into minus lambda is a plus lambda, minus 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1, minus plus here. Then minus of lambda into minus lambda is a minus lambda square, minus of 1 into minus 1 becomes a minus of 1 here. Then to minus 1, lambda into 1 becomes a lambda minus of 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1, minus plus 1 here. Therefore this implies lambda plus 1. Take a minus inside or take a minus common factor here. Okay. So minus of lambda, lambda into lambda, lambda square, minus lambda square. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus plus again. Yes, minus into minus become plus. Lambda into lambda square minus of 1. Take a minus inside or take a minus common factor here. Gives this result. Then minus of lambda plus 1 here. Lambda plus 1. So therefore lambda plus 1 here plus lambda into lambda square minus 1 is lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 1 here. Then minus of lambda plus 1 here equal to what here? 0. Is equal to 0. Then here lambda plus 1 is the common factor here. So this implies lambda plus 1 is the common. Then remaining term is 1 plus lambda into lambda minus 1. Lambda into lambda minus 1. Then minus of 1 here. That is equal to 0. So this implies lambda plus 1 into, then write here 1. Lambda into lambda becomes a lambda square minus of lambda minus 1 equal to 0. This 1 and 1 cancels here. Okay, otherwise 1 and 1 cancels directly can cancel here only. Okay, you can cancel here 1 and minus 1, we get this result here. So lambda into lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so here plus 1 and minus 1 cancels here. So remaining is this one here. Hence this implies lambda is equal to what here? Minus 1. Lambda is equal to 0 and lambda is equal to 1 here. Therefore 3 values of lambda here. So exactly 3 values of lambda. The set of all values of lambda for which the system of linear equations here, 3 equations are there, has a non-trivial solution here. Non-trivial solution. Then the first option is an empty set here. Second option is a singleton set. Third option contains 2 elements, and the fourth option contains more than 2 elements here. Okay, you have to find a set here. Set of all the values of lambda. How many elements are contained in that set here? That is important here. Take this lambda x1 left side here. Here x1 is the common factor here. Therefore 2 minus lambda into x1 here. Take this lambda x1 left side here. X1 is the common factor. minus of 2x2 then plus x3 is equal to 0. Here also take lambda x2 left side here. 2x1 keep as it is here. 2x1 here. Take lambda x2 left side here. So plus minus 3 minus lambda into x2 here plus 2x3 is equal to 0. Then in this case take lambda x3 left side here minus of x1 here minus x1 plus 2x2 minus of lambda x3 is equal to 0. So these are the system of equations here. Again here they already given non-trivial solution here. If it is a non-trivial then obviously delta is 0 here. Okay, so delta is equal to 0 implies here determinant of so 2 minus lambda then minus 2 here and plus 1 then right here 2 minus 3 minus lambda here minus 3 minus lambda then plus 2 here next minus of 1 then plus 2 and minus of lambda that is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Now you simplify so this implies 2 minus lambda here into minus 3 lambda into minus lambda here minus of lambda into minus 3 minus of lambda minus of 2 2s of 4 here. So right here 4 right in the bracket here minus of minus become plus 2 here 2 into minus lambda is minus 2 lambda minus of minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 minus plus 2 here plus 2 then 1 into so plus 1 into bracket 2 2s of 4 here so right here 4 minus of minus 1 into this here minus into this minus become plus here so minus 3 minus lambda minus 3 minus of lambda that is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Therefore this implies here 2 minus lambda into minus into minus becomes a plus here so 3 lambda minus into minus become plus lambda square minus of 4 here then here 2 common factor here minus 2 common so minus of 2 into 2 becomes 4 lambda minus 1 here minus 2 common factor here okay then plus here minus lambda 4 minus 3 becomes 1 here yes minus lambda plus 1 that is equal to 0 is equal to 0 okay. So now simplify this is a quadratic equation here okay you know that lambda square here lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 4 is there so two numbers are 4 and 1 here so lambda square plus 4 lambda minus lambda minus 4 here so lambda is the common factor here lambda plus 4 minus 1 is the common here lambda plus 4 here yes lambda plus 4 into lambda minus 1 here so lambda minus 1 therefore so this is a quadratic equation here lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 4 after simplification we get lambda plus 4 into lambda minus 1 here okay therefore so 2 minus lambda into and this is lambda plus 4 into lambda minus 1 lambda plus 4 into lambda minus 1 then minus 4 into lambda minus 1 here, and here minus common factor. So lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Each term contains lambda minus 1 here. Hence lambda minus 1 keep outside here. Into bracket 2 minus lambda into lambda plus 4. And here minus of 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Lambda minus 1 is the common factor here. Yes, so this implies here lambda minus 1 into bracket 2 into lambda becomes 2 lambda here. 2 4s are 8 plus 8 minus of lambda square minus 4 lambda minus 4 minus 1 gives minus 5 is equal to 0. Yes, so this implies so lambda minus 1 here into minus of lambda square here minus 2 lambda minus 4 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 4 lambda minus of 2 lambda here, and 8 minus 5 becomes a plus 3, that is equal to 0. Yes, so this implies here so lambda minus 1 take a minus here common, take a minus on right hand side, it becomes a lambda square plus 2 lambda minus of 3 is equal to 0. Again this is a quadratic equation here. So lambda square plus 2 lambda minus 3 here. So lambda square plus 3 lambda minus lambda minus 3. Therefore lambda common factor here, lambda plus 3 minus 1 is the common here, lambda plus 3. Therefore lambda plus 3 into lambda minus 1 here. Therefore it's a simplification. Is a lambda minus of 1 into lambda plus 3 into lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So product of these three terms is 0 means lambda is equal to 1 here. Okay, therefore lambda is equal to 1, lambda is minus 3, and lambda is equal to 1 here. Lambda value 1 minus 3 and plus 1 here. Okay, therefore the required set here, so 1 minus 3 here, because the two numbers are same numbers here, so write only one number here, 1 and minus 3. Hence it contains two elements in that set here. It contains two elements here. Yes, C is the correct option here. C answer. The number of values of k for which the system of equation has no solution here. In other words, if the system has no solution, in that case delta is 0, and at least one of the determinants, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, non-zero. Okay. Yes, if a solution has means a system has no solution, then obviously delta is 0. So delta is equal to 0 implies determinant of k plus 1 here. Then 8. Then write here k plus 3. That is equal to 0. Then this implies here k plus 1 into k plus 3 here. K plus 1 into k plus 3 minus of k into 8 becomes 8k, that is equal to 0. Yes, this implies here k into k becomes k square, k into 3 becomes 3k, and 1 into 3 becomes 3. Okay, then k into k becomes k square, k into 3 is 3k, 1 into k. So take part 1 into k becomes k, and 1 into 3 becomes 3, minus of 8k, that is equal to 0. So therefore k square 3k plus k becomes 4k minus 8k minus 4k plus 3 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation here, As two numbers are minus 3k minus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, k common factor here, k minus 3, minus 1 is the common factor, then k minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, k minus 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 0 here. Therefore, we can write that k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 3. K is equal to 1, k is equal to 3. Therefore, delta 1 here. Here delta 1 means replace this first column by RHS terms here. 4k and 3k minus 1. Second column keep as here. So write here 8 and k plus 3. And delta 2 here. So replace second column by 4k and 3k minus 1. First column write as it is here. K plus 1 and k. Replace this second column by 4k and 3k minus 1 here. 3k minus 1. First take k is equal to 1 here. If k is equal to 1, then delta 1 is here. Delta 1 is equal to a determinant of put k value 1 here. 4 ones are 4, then 8. Then k value 1 here. 3 ones are 3 minus 1 becomes 2 here. And 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Therefore, 4 4s are 16. 8 2s are 16 here. So 16 minus 16 becomes 0. Then delta 2 is equal to 0 here. Determinant of k value 1 here. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. K value 1 here. 4 into 1 becomes 4. K value 1 here. 3 minus 1 becomes 2 here. Even in this case, 2 2s are 4 and 4 ones are 4 here. Is equal to what here? 0. Delta 1 is 0, delta 2 also 0. If delta 1 0, delta 2 0, then it has a infinitely many solutions here. Therefore, when k is equal to 1, therefore, when k is equal to 1, system has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solution here. Therefore, k is equal to 1 not possible here because system has no solution here. Now take k is equal to 3. Okay. Here's k is equal to 3. Okay. When k is equal to 3,